This is fucking nice.
A little bit better today, actually. I just took an ibuprofen 30 minutes ago. This is hilly Albania. It's like 22, 23 degrees in the shadow and there's no wind and it's just hills wherever you look. The drops from my forehead actually run through my eyes and down on my cheeks. That's beautiful. I can't fucking open my eyes because of the sweat in them. Hello. Bye. Bye. That kid just ran down the hill in sandals. It feels like I'm gonna collapse. That's the fun part of it, because you don't know how much your body actually can take. And that's why I went on this trip. I wanted to challenge myself, a real challenge. Not the kind of challenge you get when you put Call of Duty on expert or FIFA to pro. Fuck my eyes. This is the kind of challenge that you only get if you put yourself through it. Yesterday, all my troubles seem so far away. Even though I feel really shitty, I actually feel really good because I know I'm gonna survive. It's just an ordinary cold. The kind of cold that when you get it, you lay home for the first day. I didn't lay home, I didn't stay home from work. I cycled 107 kilometers. I feel alive. It's one of those moments, you know, that you still can do it. Though your body says no, your mind says, let's try.
Just woke up, I'm feeling a little better today. This shit is about to hit us. The lightning is 2 kilometers away. It's 7:30 in the morning. I'm still really tired. Hopefully I get to sleep some. Thunder is keeping me awake. I'm starting to feel better. That's nice. 4 seconds. 1.5 kilometer, not even that. 1.2. That's pretty close. Closest one yet. 𝐁𝐈𝐿.
Oh, we have a tent leaking. So if you take a look in here, see it's moist down there, there, and there. It was raining, as you knew earlier, and now it's stopped. And I'm getting pretty pissed right now because the tent was 450 euros. Completely left out here, and you have no chance of getting a new tent. I've had problems with my sleeping bag, my air mattress, my tent, my bike, my GoPro. The only thing that hasn't given me problems are the 𝘊𝘺𝘭𝘪𝘯𝘨 bags and this stuff. The 𝐁𝐈𝐿 bikewear. We're cycling, we're on the road again, and I'm feeling better. I don't know where Jan is, he's back there, the girls are over there. They're cycling in front of me, and this is Albania. My name is Marcus, and I'm a happy little boy today. Really happy, because we're gonna get ice cream. And my long lost lover is back from the dead.
Hey darling.
Hello. Empty ice cream? Gelato? No? Hey, Sitnos. So these are the dangerous dogs of Albania. What's your name? Oh, you're a nice dog, aren't you? Sweet! Sweet! We're going down. Hey guys, where you from? France. Nice.
And you?
Sweden. Yay! What are you doing?
I have no clue.
Hey! Hey! Hey!
It's a bird spotting place.
This is the border to Greece. This mountain ridge down here is the Greece is on the other side of this one. And then we're going down here over the small ferry. I can ride with my bicycle without no hands. I can't actually ride it without hands since I have hands. And this guy is taking a piss. No! Jump! They wanted €1 per bike, but we don't have anything. We only have big bucks, like 20 euros and 50 euros. Let's try to get my mood up. Yay! Let's try to fake smile. And then it's endorphins. The people that I've met on the road, they said that don't put up your flag, don't wear the nice clothes, spray your bags, don't show yourself with the camera. This is an old war country, communism country, it's dangerous, they don't have enough money. I've never met so friendly people as I've done in Albania. Might be because I cycled in pair, and now we're even 4 of us, but anyway, I recommend people to go here. I recommend! Do it, it's awesome. How can you be angry with somebody? You're angry onto something. I'm so angry at, on, with. I'm angry with you. That means that you're both angry together. Together we go to the movies and we're angry together. Arr, let's be angry. Arr. But I'm angry at you. That means that I put my anger towards you or on you, like this. But if I'm mad on you, and then I just stand on you and I'm mad, crazy mad. Oh, I hate you, I have to stand on you and be angry. I can't hear. It's like, and I can't do this because I'm clogged in the up in the wasp caves. 𝘊𝘺𝘭𝘪𝘯𝘨. Greece! Greek border! Cycled through all of Albania 1 week, a little bit more than 1 week. And I'm gonna shut the camera off. Amazing.